Healthcare is changing fast. The question is, can the Czech Republic keep up? At AIFP, we believe that while respecting the sustainability of the healthcare system, every patient should have timely access to modern treatment, not based on their postcode or not having to wait for months for the treatment, because innovation achieves its full potential only when patients receive it in time. Without the right decisions today, Czech healthcare risks falling behind Europe instead of shaping its future. That is why we are focused on 4 priorities. First, strengthening investment in innovation. Innovative medicines are not just a healthcare issue, they are part of a strong economy. Healthier people stay active longer, work longer, and live better lives. Innovation reduces hospitalization, lowers social cost, and brings long-term value to society. Innovation is therefore not a cost, it is an investment. Second, improving access to specialized care. Treatment in specialized centers has an undeniable role to play. However, where clinically appropriate, the system should become more flexible. Patients should not have to travel across the country to receive treatment that could safely be available closer to their homes. We support therefore a smarter system, one that gives regions greater responsibility where it makes sense while maintaining high standards of care. Because faster access changes outcome, and in many cases it saves lives. Third, making the Czech Republic a strong hub for clinical trials. We have outstanding physicians, strong science, and well-established pharmaceutical sector. What we need is an environment that supports growth. Faster processes, greater digitalization, harmonized rules, and stronger support for research and manufacturing. More clinical trials mean earlier access for cutting-edge treatments for the patients. More experience also for doctors, and savings for public budgets, and more investments in the Czech economy. And fourth, creating a healthcare system that values innovation fairly. The world has changed dramatically over the last decade. The Czech system is well set in its fundamentals, but it still evaluates innovation through outdated rules and outdated limits. If we want the Czech Republic and Europe to remain competitive, we must be ready to adapt, because the competition is no longer inside Europe only, it is global. This is a moment of decision, a moment to modernize Czech healthcare and strengthen it for the future. Let's choose progress, let's choose innovation, and most importantly, let's choose patience.